Okay guys, so I haven't done a lot of vlogging lately describing what we're doing around the farm, but we've just been getting a few things ready and we've had some trouble with the MX. Just some random thing, like little small things, hydraulic couplings, and then also a big thing was the A-post isn't really working on the 240, but we got it to work because we just kind of beat around on it, switched wires up, or not switched wires up, but moved wires around, beat it a little bit. We got it back in there and so far it's been working, but it's just been on and off, kind of. Just it say some things are offline, shut off the key, turn it back on, cycle it back on, and it works. So it's going in and out, but it's bad. So we're buying a replacement, but that's not going to be here for a while. So we're just running the old one, and it's working. So I think I'm going to go work some ground, and I think Dad's going to start planting our only 40 acres of conventional ground this afternoon. So yep, let's go. Alright, so Dad's heading to Gould, and I'm just going to hop in the tractor in the 240, fuel it up, but I'm not going to go work ground at Gould because Dad already worked that ground the other day. So what I'm going to do is fuel this up, and then I'm going to head over to Gould and just help Dad get everything ready to go, planting over there, help him get started. And then I'll come back here and I'll work this 40-acre piece at home just because it hasn't been worked yet and it needs to be worked. So I'm going to fuel this up, go help Dad get planted, come back and start working ground. All right, I got here to the Gould farm and Dad's just getting set up, getting the planter set up. Alright, so we checked the seed, and so far the planter's placing the seed right where it's supposed to be. Looks to be doing a good job. Now I came back home, and I'm gonna start working ground, so let's get that ground worked. Well, I'm moving along pretty good. Everything seems to be working fine. Cultivator's doing a good job. Not too wet, but also, well, kind of too dry on top, but down below, it's about right. And I'm moving them along about 6 miles an hour, 6.5, depending on how hard it's pulling. But I got 20 acres done, and I don't have a whole lot left. I'd say about another 20, about 18 or 20. But, yep, just doing a good job, moving right along. Well, I'm just working out these ends because I got the rest of the field finished, just cleaning up the ends, getting them all cultivated, and then that'll be it for this field. And I would have got more time lapses and mounted footage and whatnot, but I broke the magnet right off the stick or the handle for my GoPro, so I'll have to get that fixed because that's not holding anything like that. Oh well, I guess it's just the name of the game. Well, Dad got back with the planter, and now we got to clean everything out. Okay guys, so yesterday evening, Dad got done planting at the Gould farm, and then he came back. We cleaned out the planter, and just got all the conventional seed cleaned out of it, got it scrubbed out, brushed out, blown out, whatnot. And then we worked on the 240, just got that serviced. Worked on some aspirator valve that wasn't working, so it wasn't sucking the dirt out of the air cleaner, so that wasn't good because it got a lot of dirt in the air filter. So we got that all cleaned up, got that worked on. So that was a good start to plant 2022, but this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy it, give it a like. If you haven't already, subscribe right down below. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.